Hi children, today we are going to learn about cause and effect. Open your textbook, page number 27, cause and effect. When an event or thing leads to another event or thing, the two are said to have a cause and effect relationship. Cause and effect relationship. When an event or thing, the cause, leads to another event or thing, that is effect. The two are said to have a cause and effect relationship. By establishing a connection between the cause and the effect, we can get a better understanding of the story. See, here there is a sentence given from the story. Our wicket keeper got injured. I had to reluctantly step into his role, even though I had never tried it earlier. See, in this sentence, because the wicket keeper got injured, it is cause. The wicket keeper got injured. Sachin had to play as a wicket keeper, that is effect. Wicket keeper got injured, that is cause. Because of wicket keeper got injured, because of that Sachin Tendulkar played the role of wicket keeper, that is effect. See, the effect of this cause. See, wicket keeper got injured. Effect of that is Sachin Tendulkar played the role of wicket keeper. Right. See, here you can see some more sentences below. After explaining that, you will understand something more. See, injuries were frequent because we played on half-baked and overused pitches, and our coach insisted on our batting without helmet. See, in this sentence, we have to find cause and effect. Okay, cause and effect. See, injuries were frequent. Injuries were frequent. We played on the half-baked and overused pitches, and our coach insists on our batting without helmet. See, why they have got injured? Injuries were frequent for them. Why it happened, these injuries? Why? Because they played on half-baked and overused pitches, and their coach insisted on them batting without helmet. That is cause. Their coach insisted on their batting without helmet. Because of that, they got injured, right? Because of that, injuries were frequent for them. So, here, coach insisted on our batting without helmet, that is cause. Okay, that is cause. Because of that, injuries were frequent for them. That is effect. They played without, or they were batting without helmet. Because of that, the injuries were frequent for them. Right. See, here our coach insisted on our batting without helmet. This is cause. Okay, cause. Because of this, the injuries were frequent for them. This is effect. Injuries were frequent. effect. They played without helmet, because of that injuries were frequent for them. This is cause and this is effect. What is the effect of this? Biting without helmet, the effect of these injuries were frequent. Right. See the second sentence. Second sentence. Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid when he saw me making guard in a just cap. Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid when he saw me taking guard in a just cap. See here. Cause is when he saw me taking guard in a just cap. Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid. Livid meaning we learned while learning the lesson. Extremely angry. Right. Why he got angry? Because he saw Sachin without helmet while batting, right? He was just wearing a cap. By seeing that, Raju Kulkarni got livid or angry on Sachin. Right. So the cause is, what is the cause? The cause is when he saw me taking guard in just a cap. When he saw me taking guard in just cap, because of that he got Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid. Because of that he got angry on him. See, this is cause. When he saw me taking guard in a just cap, that is cause. And this one, Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid. This is effect. Why he got angry? Because he was guarding with only just a cap. By seeing that only, because of that, he got angry. Right. This is the effect. This is the effect of this. Cause. Cause is he was not wearing helmet. He was just wearing a cap. That is the cause. The effect of that, Raju Kulkarni got angry. That is effect. Okay. Next sentence. It was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well that I finally told him the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. See here, cause is, it was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well. Effect is that I finally told him the actual reason for not wearing helmet. Here the cause is, it was only later when I was selected for Mumbai team and came to know Raju well. He selected for Mumbai team and he came to know Raju well. Because of that, he told the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. This is effect. First one, this is cause. Okay, it is cause because he revealed the reason or he told the reason for not wearing helmet. Why? Because now he selected to the Mumbai team and he came to know Raju well. Now he knows him very well Because of that, the effect is, because of that, he says the actual reason why he was not wearing the helmet. Right, this is effect. See, cause is, it was only later when he was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well. This is cause. Because of that, he said that finally I told him the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. This is effect. Because of this cause, he said this. So this is effect and that is cause.